to tell us some fun facts about volcanoes.
That's right. Before we get started, what do you think a volcano is?
It's a dry land.
A dry land?
Dry land with some water in it, and it's boiling hot, and when an explosion comes out.
That's a good answer. Fact number one. Volcanoes.
Sounds like a bad word.
Fact number one sounds like a bad word.
Yeah, you know what you said when you said.
No, Daddy doesn't say bad words.
No.
Fact number one is volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface. When they are active, they can let ash, gas, and hot magma escape. You know why my teeth look yellow? It's because Dad's eating twisties. We've got a bowl. Would you like one? Fact number two is magma is liquid rock. Once it gets so hot, it turns into lava, and that's what explodes out of a volcano. Hey Indy, did you know when a volcano explodes, the ash can go so high and it can go as high as 30 kilometers into the sky?
You got twisty stuck in your teeth.
Still?
Yeah, there, and there, and there.
And for the last fact is the name volcano. What are you looking at? What have I got there? Now, hang on, we have to do the last fact.
There's a lot of hair on your ear, like
That's getting old. Now, for the last fact, the word volcano originated from the Roman god of fire. And what do you think his name was?
I don't know, mate.
Vulcan.
Volcano. Come on, mate, just go in so I can do my experiment.
Well, I heard it. High five, and you can show us how to do the experiment and how a volcano works.
Before we get started, safety first. The things we need for the experiment are got haptic strip and some hot water and some food dye and a mixing stick and some baking soda.
So what's going in first?
The tartric acid.
Ah.
And then next we're going to pour the hot water in. And then we're going to put the red food dye to make it red.
How many drops?
10.
10. And count them.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, you
6,
count a bit fast.
8, 9, 10.
And next?
We mix it
How long do you have to mix it for?
until until it dissolves.
All dissolves.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Can you?
Yeah. Now, I'm excited for the next bit,
What's next?
the baking soda.
What do you think's going to happen? Quick.
I think it's gonna explode.
Whoa.
Whoa.